Hello everyone! In this video, we will show you how to repair the MG1145723901 P50 airbag ECU. Items required: P50 main cable, P004 jumper cable, P004 adapter, P50 adapter, MG1145723901 airbag ECU. You can search for the part number in the top right corner to quickly find the corresponding module. Tap Start. Tap Help to check the P50 connection method. Open the guide and carefully read the operation instructions and connection methods. Open the pinout and connect the harness according to the diagram. After connecting, tap Start. Check if the airbag part number is correct. Tap Read DTC to check the crash fault codes. Fail to erase fault codes. You need to execute Erase Crash first. Erased successfully. Let's re-execute Erase DTC. Erased successfully. Read DTC again to verify if the operation was successful. Crash fault codes have been erased. This is the end of the demonstration.